against Corona. So I'm going and getting my drawing because that's so important. This is my drawing. So the topic is India fights against Corona. This is wear mask, hand wash and sanitizer. Stay home, be safe. Avoid crowd, avoid handshake, consult doctor. And this is, you guess. India will win from Corona. You can try this painting in your home very easily. This is lock. Lockdown means lock. Just lock. Haha. It is wearing a mask.
First player goes to Chhavi from 8209. Second player goes to Pressure from 82.
So friends, now I will share my last year drawing competition painting. Theme is nature. You want to see? Then see. Boom! Waterfall this is. You can also try. It's not this much difficult. It's so easy. And if you like my video, please like, subscribe and hit the bell button and don't forget to share my video and subscribe and like and bye bye and be safe, not going out, only for work.